Hi, I'm Tom Mulaney. I'm here today to talk to you about pre-writing in Google Jamboard on the web. And so this is a Google Jamboard jam, and I'm trying to write an essay about our two cats, Hazel and Fred. And what I've done is I've created three frames, and here it says paragraph two on frame two, paragraph three. This could be intro, body, conclusion, and you can make a template and share that in classroom with your students. So here I have a bunch of images that would help me get my thoughts together for an essay. And so this here is when we met our two cats when they were still in their foster home. This here is, let's say this one here, this is when they first got home, and that might be paragraph two. So if I want to move that to the second frame, I would do a control X and then go to frame two and do a control V. And there they are. They were in their little basement where they first started off in our house. I go back, and then, this is them today. This is them on our holiday card here. So I might do another control X, go to frame three. This is them today. Boom. And I can then put little text reminders of what I want to write about here. So I'll do text, Hazel and Fred holiday card 2022. Here I might do, a little text, Hazel and Fred first at home in basement. And then, go to frame three here. And I would move these to where they would want to go to. And then, I might write another note here. This is, when Fred was lured into his foster home. And again, we just hit that thing. Fred walks into foster home. Yeah, can you believe it? This brave little boy said, "Oh, you got food? Let's go. Let's rock." And sure enough, that put him on a path to our house. But anyway, you can use the tools of Jamboard and use each frame as a part of an essay or a paragraph to help students get their ideas together. And then students just go frame by frame, reminded of everything they wanted to include in their essay. If you have any questions about this, please comment below or tweet me at Tom E. Mulaney. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.